Now, at the end of a lecture session, once we've all uh, disengaged from Collaborate Ultra, we're no longer on there. Within about 5 or 10 minutes, you take your notes and you are required to submit them. So these are your notes that you are going to submit. Here is your PowerPoint presentation. It might still be on your screen. That's fine. You then go to the second thing that has to be taken care of on any given night, and that is quizzes. Under the quiz section, okay, you basically, the active quiz is right there. You click on it to start it, and you get 1 minute per quiz question. So 1 minute per quiz question. All of the quizzes have 10 questions on them. So you get 10 minutes to do it. Now, the thing to understand is that when you're taking a quiz, I give you a gift, but then again, there are certain things that you have to be aware of. One is the gift that I give you is the ability, when you're taking a quiz, to use these notes and this PowerPoint presentation right in front of you. Okay, so you can have both these things in front of you as you take the quiz. That's great. The bad thing is that everything is timed. So the minute you hit this button right here that says begin, right, it will start off by giving you your first question. But one of the things that you're going to find right here is you'll see this countdown clock. It's starting to count down. So you answer the questions basically, and you move on to the next question. But you only have 10 minutes to do 10 questions. So that's a minute a question. You can use your notes and your PowerPoints, but keep in mind that that clock is counting down. In addition to that, if you do not finish within those 10 minutes, the quiz answers that you've given thus far will be submitted automatically, and you'll get a grade based on the answers that you gave. Now, you have 25 minutes to do something, okay? So 10 minutes is one thing. You get 10 minutes to finish what we call one occurrence of that quiz. So you could take the quiz the first time. What you can then do is, if you don't like the grade that you got on that quiz, let's say you only got a 50 on it, it will show you the correct answers to the questions. You can memorize those. You can also, like I said, use the word processing and the PowerPoint that you have. Feel free to use that, look that over again. But you got 25 minutes. So let's say it takes you 10 minutes to do that first occurrence of the quiz. All right, you now have 15 minutes left. In that 15 minutes, you can take that same quiz a second time around. You get to take each quiz 2 times. Understand? So what happens is that you have to start the second occurrence of that quiz within the time that you have left. That gets subtracted from the 25 minutes. Okay, so if the quiz starts for everybody, let's say at 7:30, this link stays up there for 25 minutes. At 7:55, that link expires. You can take that quiz twice, and Blackboard will remember the better of the two grades. So if the first time you get a 50 and the second time you get a 90, Blackboard will only record the 90. So remember, you're going to participate in the lecture by taking notes on the lecture slides, submitting those notes, and then taking the quiz. Quizzes are worth 20% of your grade.